Hi, Harneet from Dr. Haror's Wellness, and today we have Ashmit Patel with us. Was just undergone the hair transplant procedure. How was the feeling just one day after the process, and what was in your mind when you walked in first?
Oh, well, to be honest with you, I have been toying with the idea of a hair transplant for the last maybe year or so, and was not sure until I actually got recommended by a friend of mine to meet with Dr. Haror.
Okay.
And I also did my own research, extensive research actually, and I realized that Dr. Haror and Dr. Haror's Wellness is one of the best in the business. So I flew down here to Delhi to meet with him, and as soon as I met with Dr. Navnit, I was sure कि मुझे ये procedure करना है, and I actually changed my flight. I was ready to just come here for a meeting and come back later if required for the procedure, but I changed my flight. I stayed back, did the procedure as you know, and I'm really glad I did it because it was so smooth. The entire team was very professional. All of you guys were there to support me. All my doubts and reservations were cleared, which is why I went ahead with the procedure. And speaking with Dr. Navnit, I got the confidence,
Okay.
you know, he knows what he's doing. He's done over 15,000 procedures. So yeah, it was a fantastic experience. And here I am the day after looking fit and fine and healthy.
So when did the whole thought process of actually going for a hair transplant, or when you start about thinking your hair loss, when did it actually start affecting you emotionally probably?
So as you can see, I have pretty good hair.
Good long hair, yeah.
But there was a little thinning, which my hairstylist, when on shoot, was telling me, it's probably a good time to do it now before it's too apparent.
I get that.
So it's not maybe that visible to the naked eye, but I'm getting on in age. I'm going to be 48 soon. So hair loss is part and parcel of aging. And I figured that it's better to sort it out before it's too obvious. And I would suggest that to a lot of people out there who don't have a very apparent hair loss, no bald patches, but you can feel the hair thinning. I suggest you do a hair transplant before you actually start going bald. So that's the reason I actually was thinking about it for the last year or so, and glad I did it yesterday.
That is nice. And during the whole process, when you made up your mind, you met Dr. Navneet, and you still had inhibitions about the pain?
I had a lot of inhibitions about the pain, but he put me at ease. He told me very clearly that there's going to be no pain whatsoever. You're going to be...
We get a lot of queries, with a lot of patients. Everyone is asking, is it painful?
Yeah.
So what do you say?
It was relatively pain-free, little bit of pricking, which is negligible. वो तो होना ही है when you're administering anesthesia.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm someone who's very scared of needles. So
that was evident.
But
that was your inhibition when you walked in. You said it was not going to be painful.
But no, nothing. I mean, I'm sitting here happy and with a smile on my face and pain-free. It's actually, I'm feeling no pain even now. Nothing the day after. It's been just under 24 hours of doing the procedure, and as you can see, I've got a smile on my face.
That's great. So you also had another concern that would you be able to resume your shoot schedule, go back to your daily activities? So what do you feel about it?
Yeah, I mean, that's of course a big concern because I'd heard that you shave the full head, and I wouldn't be able to get back to work for a month. No workouts, etc. But all those myths were debunked by Dr. Navnit. So basically, yes, a portion of the head needs to be shaven just to get the donor hair. Unfortunately, in my case, I have long hair which covers it.
Which actually is covering a lot of it.
So I have no problem in that department. And the 1 week of no workouts for someone like me who's a workout freak is a bit of a challenge, but it's just a week. And
so about 1 week rest.
1 week rest.
From the workout.
From work and workouts, because I can't be out in the sun also. I can't be shooting outdoors. And of course, the lights are very strong when you shoot. But I think a week, 10 days of a forced holiday is great.
Yeah, true that.
Because sometimes I feel a lot of guilt also when I can't make it to the gym or XYZ. So now I know I have no choice. तो आराम से घर पे बैठ के Netflix and chill करूँगा.
That's great. And would you recommend Dr. Navnit Haror, Dr. Haror's Wellness to your friends back in Bollywood?
Of course, that's why I'm here, because he is the best. I've come all the way from Bombay to Delhi to do it with Dr. Haror, because he is the best in the business. And I don't know if I'll recommend. I don't know how many people I want to get competing with me with the. No, of course I will. Definitely all my friends, whoever needs it, I'm going to suggest Dr. Navnit to them. And I'm hoping and looking forward to, I believe there's a clinic opening in Mumbai in the next few months.
Yes, that is true.
That'll be wonderful. It'll be so much more convenient for everybody to do it in Bombay itself.
Yesterday, you had a meetup with Dr. Vinita Patel, who's heading the entire aesthetic wing. And how was your experience with Dr. Vinita? Was she able to solve your questions and concerns, your inhibitions about any downtime after the procedure that was there?
Yeah, I mean,
for your face?
Yeah, she was obviously very, very. She praised my skin firstly. She was very kind to praise me. She said my skin is actually very good.
Yeah.
There's a few areas which can be worked on, because as a teenager, I had very bad skin. I had acne issues. So there are some scars and pits left over from then. So she suggested a couple of procedures that could be that I could do to reduce those scars. So we did one yesterday.
Yes, we also did the hydration.
The detox IV, which I think is very essential for people who live in big cities. Or anywhere in India, actually, because the pollution is so high everywhere in India.
Because it's just been few hours after one day of the procedure, and I can still see the glow on your face.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and I definitely would you give the credit to Dr. Vinita Patel?
For sure.
Great.
I actually even during one of the procedures kind of fell asleep. It's so soothing.
Yeah, it was quite relaxing.
I woke myself up with my own snore.
Yeah.
And we all had a big laugh at it. So yeah, definitely a good experience. She's very knowledgeable, of course, highly trained, like everyone over here in Dr. Haror's wellness clinic. And yeah, for all your needs, all your aesthetic and cosmetic needs, I think this is a one-stop shop for everything from top to bottom. So yeah, make your way here and be the best version of you, at least physically. They can help you with that.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
My pleasure.
Talking to you.
Thank you.